What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out every single video, all the unboxings, playlists, everything. Subscribe is the most important. Please, let's get the numbers up, the views up, everything. Likes and comments so everyone else can see the video. It helps in the algorithm and all that technical stuff. But yeah, let's get straight into this one. We have got another tracksuit unboxing or review, detailed look, whatever you want to call it. Slightly different. So the reason I actually purchased this one is because of the price point. Straight off the bat, I do have to say. I'll show everyone the hoodie first. So this is a Puma BMW Motorsport hoodie. The closest I've been to owning a BMW. Yeah, so BMW Motorsport hoodie, Puma. So it's all grey and then it's got BMW logo, M Sport, and then Motorsport. Well, I'm saying M Sport, but M Sport badge and then Motorsport. It's got a Puma on the sleeve also. Then it says sticker goes here, but the sticker's obviously missing for some reason. Contains recycled material, made with at least 20% recycled material as a step towards a better future. All the companies now are starting to do a bit more recycling and stuff, which is always good. Then Puma BMW Motorsport label, and then the size and stuff on the back. So the reason I purchased this is literally because of the price point. It's a good lounge around tracksuit or lazy day tracksuit. £15 for the hoodie, literally £15 for the hoodie, which, you know, for any hoodie, £15 is a bargain, I'll be honest. Puma BMW Motorsport, this is usually about £60. £15, big bargain, you know, a quarter of the price. To be honest, a normal Puma hoodie I've seen in other shops about 20 quid is the lowest. So this being 15, absolute bargain, no brainer. And I've also got the jogging bottoms or the joggers to match. So they say they got the PMW, I was gonna say BMW, and then the Motorsport, the M Sport badge, and then on the other side the Puma, the same grey. I really like this grey actually. It's very nice, very nice. And it does have the cuffs that I love on the joggers. Really and truly, the joggers were £12, so the whole tracksuit costs a total of £27, which, you know, absolute bargain to be honest. So I had to grab one. You know, £27, you can barely get a hoodie for, you know, 20 quid, 25 quid. So, you know, it's like I bought a hoodie and got joggers for free or something. But yeah, joggers, I believe the retail price around £55. There was a clearance on and I got it. Unfortunately, I can't put a link in the bio as all the sizes are sold out. If I do find some good things like this, so like good prices, I'll stick it in the Discord. So if you want to know when there's, you know, bargains like this, have a look at the Discord, because that's where I'll put them. There's a section for bargain buys or sales or whatever, and just have a look at that. And yeah, that's literally a quick review. You know, my first BMW. Yeah, so I got my first BMW here. It is M Sport, you know how we do. And yeah, let me know what you think of it. Tell me if you like it, if you hate it, if you rate it. Comment below, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Literally just a quick review. I definitely need to start reviewing these and like wearing them to show you like how the fit is. But I'd say just go true to your Puma size and that'll be fine if you do get one. And yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the Discord. Let me know what you think of the tracksuit. Take care, my people.